up, you guys? Welcome to the Man Sports YouTube channel. Today we are going to be making strawberry protein cupcakes. Woo! And we're super excited because eating healthy is really hard, but it doesn't have to be when you know how to make yummy, delicious treats. So we're gonna show you how to make it.
We are going to put the recipe on the screen right now, so be sure to take a screenshot on your phone if you want to save the recipe. Also, it will be listed down below in the description box, so for those of y'all on your desktop computer, you can save it too. So what we did was go to mansports.com and download the ebook directly to our phone. Easy to do, easy for you to have at home, and you can access it anywhere. So right here in front of us, we have all the ingredients that we need for our strawberry protein cupcakes. What we're going to do is break it down step by step and show you how to make these. It's pretty simple to throw together and you'll come out with some delicious, healthy treats. The first step is to preheat your oven to 325 degrees.
All right, so the next step, we're gonna gather all of our dry ingredients, unicorn's milk, coconut flour, stevia, and baking powder, and we're going to whisk them together. While I'm whisking, Catherine is going to be chopping up the strawberries.
Of the recipe is going to be blending our wet ingredients into the dry ingredients Monique just mixed up. We have some chopped strawberries, some unsweetened almond milk, some coconut oil, some liquid egg whites, as well as some non-fat plain Greek yogurt.
Now we're gonna mix all the wet ingredients with the dry ingredients.
Now that we have our batter mixed up, I am just going to put some cupcake liners into this muffin tin, or if you want, you can spray them with a bit of cooking spray so that they don't stick.
So this recipe makes 6 cupcakes. Now that we're all done, we're gonna finally get to put them in the oven.
Now that we've pulled the cupcakes out of the oven, while they're in the back cooling, we're gonna go ahead and whip up the frosting. So we have 1/3 less fat cream cheese, some non-fat plain Greek yogurt, and a Splenda stevia blend, and that will make our cupcake frosting. For our frosting bag, Ziploc bag right here, and what we're going to do is take some scissors and just kind of cut the seam off at the top. We put our frosting into a makeshift pastry bag, and what we're going to do is just cut the very tip off of this, and now we're going to just swirl our frosting on top. And strawberries for the final touch.
All right, so this is the final product, this strawberry protein cupcakes. Ready? 2, 3. Wow.
Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel down below. Click the big red button. and leave a comment telling us when you're going to make this recipe. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye. Proper way to chop strawberries. Chopping isn't my forte.
All right, so the next step, we're gonna gather together baking powder, stevia, and baking powder. Is this coconut?
Coconut flour.
Oh, so that concludes today's video.
Don't forget to like this